SteveWichitaFixit.com. What I'm doing today is setting the toilet, and I've been trying to think of a way to make it easier for homeowners that want to try to put in the toilet themselves and just can't quite find the bolts. Well, this is what I came up with. A lot of the plumbers might laugh, but it's a handy way to set the toilet as far as I'm concerned. So here you go. So once you have your wax ring in place and your bolts in place, take this string and just set it over the stud, and it's just a slip knot, and pull it tight, and do that on both sides. And what we're going to do is stick this end up through the bottom of the toilet where the bolt goes, and we'll do that right now. So now I have the string set in place. We're going to set the toilet right here. We'll run this string up through the bottom of the toilet, and then we'll be ready to set the toilet. Okay, now we have the string on the bolt, and it's coming up through the bottom of the toilet. And I only have two hands, so I'm going to just set the toilet now and show you what it looks like. See, now that just took 2 seconds. We just set it right in there. You just follow the strings, and it just guides you right onto the bolts. Well, we got that part done, and these are nice. You can just put those finger tight, and then just put a little torque on them, and then you have this little cap that goes over the top, and that works out good. I'm going to take this, we'll seal this underneath here, and we'll be good to go. Look for more videos at Wichita Fix It on YouTube. Subscribe. Let me know what you think. I appreciate all the views. Look for more videos.